US forces hit a militant base in Iraq with an AC-130 gunship. US forces hit a militant base in Iraq with an AC-130 gunship after Iranian-backed groups attacked American troops in the country this week in the latest tit-for-tat exchange in the Middle East. US Central Command said on X, the platform formerly known as Twitter, that the AC-130 strike resulted in several casualties. Officials said the hit was in response to a missile attack on American positions at Al-Assad Air Base in Iraq. Pentagon Deputy Press Secretary Sabrina Singh told reporters the Iranian-backed militant attack caused several minor injuries and some damage to the compound. She also said the militants were identified because the AC-130 gunship was already up in the air and found the site of the missile launch. The Pentagon's updated numbers show US forces have been attacked 66 times in the Middle East since October the 17th, shortly after the Israel-Hamas war broke out, with 32 attacks in Iraq and 34 in Syria. US troops have also clashed with Iranian-backed Houthi militants near Yemen since the Israel-Hamas war began on October the 7th. Not including the last missile attack, 62 American service members have been injured so far, though the injuries have all been minor. The US has struck Iranian-backed targets 4 times in retaliation for the attacks, including 3 in Syria, targeting storage facilities and command centers operated by Iran and its proxy groups. Washington believes Iranian-backed groups are seizing on unrest in the region.